The Panorama 1453 History Museum, established by Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality in 2009, holds the title of the world's first full panoramic museum. As one of the most popular spots in Istanbul, the museum gives its visitors a chance to relive the conquest of Istanbul. This museum shows the conquering of the city of Constantinople, capital of the Byzantine Empire, by the troops of the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror on May 29, 1453. The museum is located close to the point where the Ottomans breached the walls. Its main exhibit is a 360-degree panorama painting, also known as a cyclorama, of the battlefield at the time the walls were breached, giving the visitor the impression they are standing in the middle of the battle. The painting is made and presented in such a way that the visitor appears to be at the center of a huge space rather than a circle only 38 meters in diameter. Sound effects add to the illusion. There is the sound of guns firing, of soldiers shouting, and a military band playing to urge on the troops. This panoramic picture contains 10,000 figure drawings. The panoramic picture is drawn on a hemisphere 38 meters in diameter. The picture has a surface area of 2,350 square meters. The platform where the 3D objects between the picture and the visitor platform is located is 650 square meters, and the visitor is in every direction too. One voice of Mehmed's thousands of soldiers in the Mater Mars encircle. The audience can experience a shock of up to 10 seconds on this platform in the museum. The first person to look at the panoramic picture on the museum will not be able to grasp the actual dimensions of the work because of their optical habits. This is due to the fact that the dimensions of the image do not have references to provide the concept, such as start and end points. While the museum is in a closed space, the visitor experiences a three-dimensional outer space again. The museum is located opposite the Topkapı Eternit walls, where the embankment passes. In the vicinity of the museum, you can see the Topkapı walls and Silivriköprü walls in Constantinople. Construction of the building and the painting of the giant panorama mural started in 2005, with 8 artists working on the mural. The painting of the mural was completed in 2008.